and just know the risk that you have in there. But anytime when it's not really strong, you just want to go in with smaller. So in this situation, let me show you. We'll go Tesla. We'll go here. I'm looking at calls. This will be right here. Remember, one bracket below. I'll just do like 10 contracts. I do mid price. Yes, go ahead. There it is. That's what it looks like. That's my entry. Now, what I do after I purchase those, always go in, right click, close position, and make sure, right? If you don't do it at the time of purchase, make sure you have a stop in place. Now, what I like to do on my stops on these 2-minute EWOs is I like to give it some range, right? I will need to let it work. It can go up, it can go down, it can pull around. I like to let it work its magic. So right here, I paid $46.75. My estimated premium on this stop is $4,300. That's a $300. So we'll go a little bit more. 42. That's a $475 risk. That's what I'm taking on this trade. Now, when this trade goes green, which it has several times, I could then look at it and adjust my stop to at or above what I paid. But that is my total overall risk of entry. And it should allow this trade to work, right? Like here, it's pulling back on the 200. If we had too tight of a stop, I would have already gotten stopped out. This would have been a losing trade. It has to have room to breathe. And if it doesn't look good, fine, I'm out. My stop will stop me out. I have to assess the risk. It's been, by the way, this trade has been green several times since I got in it, right? But this isn't what I'm doing with this trade. I'd like to see this trade continue to go in the direction that it was going, and then I'll make a lot of money. If it pulls back below VWAP and it stays down there, I will get out. Like right here, you see how this is pulling? Nope, I'm out. You guys see it? I'm literally getting ready to shut this down. If this stays below VWAP, I'm out. Do you guys see how I am managing this risk? Do you see it? I don't need this. I don't need this thing to lose even 10% if it's not going where I need it to go.
Dialed in watching you, coach.
Yep. And this is how you guys control the 2-minute. So right here, now it touched VWAP, it bounced up. This means the 2-minute is still a go. We're still a go, right? We're still above VWAP. I still have a signal to the upside. Everything's still okay on the trading view indicators. I'm not panicking. I don't want to lose faith in the trade. It did not go all the way against me. Now, if this would have pulled VWAP and stayed in there, now I'm in a green trade.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, but if that would have stayed below VWAP, I'm out. I don't need 25 to 40% failure. And there you go. There's your trade. See it? Successful trade. Done. That's how you control all the way around for those of you that want to do 2-minute EWO. Now I put in a stop well above what I paid. That's $100 profit, by the way, if it pulls back to my stop. That is a guaranteed, there it is, guaranteed green trade, just like that. See it? That's it.